Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we are going to do my first Temu purchase, open, reveal, assessment, work out whether I'm going to buy anything else from them. This is my first time to actually get something from Temu. Came in this white packaging. Got delivered, I'm thinking obviously from China to Australia in... where are we? Probably a couple of weeks. We had another 5 days, I think it was, before, if it's beyond that day, you get $5 credit free. So it didn't actually take too long. Free post. No padding by the feel of it, but we'll take a look. Hopefully it's not bent. They're hard to get open. I don't want to cut anything inside. But I have gone a small 1/24 scale diorama. Nothing else in there. And that's the manufacturer's details. And a set of, actually a multiple set of 1/64 scale wheels. So we'll take a look at both of these. We'll see whether we think this is actually worth the, to be honest, $7 or $8 worth of that, which, to be honest, by the looks of it, it's actually pretty good. And I bought the cheap Hot Wheels car wheel and tire packs. There are more expensive ones that cost probably twice the price for only a set of, I think, 4. That's product specifications. But let's take a look at see what we get here. Right, $7 or $8 from Temu. Hot Wheels. These are the ones I ordered, and I tell you what, 10 pack for about $7 Australian. Now there are $16 ones that have disc brakes in it. These look like a silver rim with the gold, I don't know what you call it, snowflake style. This is exactly what I wanted. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly what I ordered. Exactly what I was expecting. And so far, to be honest, yeah, I think I'll be happy with those. I may end up getting a bunch more, so because of different styles. I purchased just one purchase first, just to see the quality. These are rubber feeling wheels, not a hard plastic, so that's a bonus. There's a rack of wheels. Get that camera down on there. Temu. I think we call it Temu. There's only one E, so it's Temu. Product specifications. Products are a toy part used for 1/64 scale car. 1/64 car model replacement and modification. Small parts are not for children under 14. Do not put in the product into the ear, nose, or mouth. That's a good idea. Normal maintenance. Do not dip in water. Do not fire. I'm guessing do not burn. Do not put in water. Very likely the paint may come off or something like that. But yeah, no, this is good. I think this will be some future modifications, and keep an eye out for that on my channel. But let's get these guys put aside. I'm also going to have to probably get some containers for these. When I say containers in plural, is because, yeah, I'll buy more of those. I may actually go and buy another 3 or 4 of those particular ones in different types. Now, this is a 1/24 scale diorama. I've seen other people build these type of things. I want to see for myself. Okay, that's sticky stuff. Oh, that's an easy way of getting the sticky off, isn't it? You can sit aside. Now these feel like foam board. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's definitely foam board that's got printing on it. Yeah, great. I kind of wish I could do that myself. Now I bought the standard with a door. Okay, it's got some Asian writing on it. It's black up the top. It almost looks like a lift that's gone down, but I don't think so. Also got the A001 parking. I don't think you can get anything more than just that. It's not like you can ask for like 002, 003. This is just for a diorama. It's a couple of pieces of foam. Again, under $10 Australian. Can we get that to go in? Okay, may have to lean that back. There we go. For a display, and I thought I might do it if I ever get the 124 scale cars back again. As far as parking that in there, that's great. Is it worth the price, considering you're getting a free post? Yeah, absolutely. We've got some instructions in here, multiple languages. I don't know about instructions. I think they're just a warranty to safety. 124 scale, durable model, realistic simulation, easy to assemble, multifunction display. It's PVC, 26 by 14 by 10.7 centimeters. Yeah, one packet of 124 simulation parking lot display box. After receiving the product, you need to assemble it by yourself. This product is not for children's toy. Please keep away from children. Avoid misuse. This product is handmade. It is inevitable that there are small defects. Perfectionists, please be careful. Yeah, the first thing I did was that corner's got a tiny bit of dog leg on it. But I think that happened probably in the post. I don't mind that. So I guess if we're going to have it would be an Asian garage, looking at the print on there. Let's put an Asian car in there. Yeah, that actually comes up really well. I just, there's 3 or 4 of them. It'd be nice if they didn't actually have the number on there, because then I could buy a bunch of these, put them all side by side. Very good. So, my first evaluation of Temu with these U-Butte little Hot Wheels wheels. I'm very happy with that. That is definitely worth the price. That was the everyday price too, not the oh my god, I got a bargain. Something's come up. I think they're always like that. I'll go and have a look again. I may get a couple more of these. If you've got any of these or you've got any recommendations, put a comment down below. I'm not going to dwell on that anymore. First look, very happy. I'll shove that on the shelf somewhere, and when I get future cars, I might put them in there. And if I can get a 164 and or a 143 that I'm happy with, I'll use that as well. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.